Hi, if your child has learned the sound to letter relationships of these letters and you're interested in finding some practice ways of helping your students to match the phoneme, the speech sound, to its grapheme to make little words, then stay tuned. That's what we're going to do today. I'm Angela Ema. I'm a literacy consultant, teacher. I work with students, teachers, school groups, publishers, authors, and also with parents. So let's take a look at how we can do this mapping of the speech sounds to graphemes using that little array of letters. And we'll just do a few examples, and you can do some more at home because you'll be able to think of many more. So let's think of a word that we might make. Now you could do real words or practice words. That's also okay. But if we want to make the word sat, I sat on the chair. Sat. So I'm going to say the word slowly, sat, so that I can hear the sounds more clearly in my head. I slow them down so I've got more time to listen to them, and they last longer in my brain while I'm listening. Sat. Now I'm going to count the sounds in the word. At. Let's do it again. At. Now it's time to move our markers. So we're going to move one marker for each sound. We start on this side at the left. At. Now I need to match the letters to the sounds. So I'm going to look over here. Which one do I think makes that S sound? Is that the one you found? S. Listen for the next one now. I'm looking over here. Which one matches that sound? I think it's that one. S. You might like to say that one a few times because then you can hear it a little bit more easily. T, t, t. So we look over here. Did you find the one you think I need to write next? Is it that one? Let me check it. S, at, s, at. I'll ask myself, does what I see match the sound I can hear when I say the word? Sat. Is it right? Yes, it is. Now I'm going to write the letters with no spaces in between so that they look just like they would look if they went together in a book to make the word sat. And that's what I need to do in my writing. Remember to put all the letters together, take out the spaces, and then I make a word. That's the word sat. Let's think of another one we could do. I'll do one more example and then you can keep practicing at home. So I might make the word tin. My roof is made of tin. Tin. So I'm going to say the word slowly now. In. So that sound T stops right after it. So you could say that sound quietly a few times if you want to. So a few times might be, you might say it 3 times. Listen. T, t, t. In. The other sounds stretch, so they're easier to say slowly. Let's do it again. T, t, t. In. Let's count the sounds now. In. One more time. In. Now, let's slide the counters. In. Time to match the sounds to the letters. Can we find a letter that makes the T sound? Can you see it? Is that it? I'll copy that one into the first box. T. Can I find the letter that makes the I sound? Let me check them. S, T, N, P, 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 A, I. Here it is. Last one. T, I, N, N. Can you see the one I need? Is it this one? T, T, T. No. Is it this one? S. Is it this one? N. That's the one I need. Now, I'm going to look through the word. So we put our finger underneath the letter, but be careful not to cover the letter up or you won't be able to see it. T, in, T, in. I'm locking my eyes on the letters while I look through the word. T, in. Does it match? Does what I see match what I hear? T, in. Yes, it does. I'm going to write it down the bottom with no spaces between the letters. So you might like to try some more words that you can make using these letters. You could try pat, tap, in, an, sip, sin, nip, pan. You could even try a really big one, pant. Do you think you could try that really big one? Pants. I am wearing pants. There are lots of real words and even some extra made-up words that you can try using those letters. You have fun. See you next time.